everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll give you a second. Alright, so today I have a hair review. The company is LUVME Hair. So this is the hair company. This is how the box look. It did come with a ribbon. I haven't opened, but I did take the ribbon off. It came with like a little purple ribbon. And this is LUVME Hair. So the box, you know, it's just a normal box. Take the top off. This is what you see when you first open it. On this little note, this little paper, it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. That's just what it looks like. Just a little nice little cute note. And then the next thing we see is the actual hair. Ooh, what's this? So it comes with a little red pouch. Let's see what's in it. So we have a rat tail comb, which is really convenient actually. We have LUVME hair wax stick, which I never tried a wax stick for edges and stuff, so I'm really excited. It also includes a LUVME hairpin. This is so cute. This is really cute. You know, like a little hair clip, which is really, really cute. It also includes bobby pins. Who says Bobby and who says Barbie? Comment down below. Bobby pins. This is fashion jewelry. That's what it says on it. That's really cute. And yes, there's more. What is this? An elastic? And it's about, I would say, 5.5 inches. And it comes with tweezers. Alright, now under that was wig caps, which is always needed. And then the last thing besides the hair is their little brochure. It has how to care for your hair, how to use your wig and hair, and then it has, I guess, some questions that are commonly asked and then the answer to it. So the questions are
why does my 360 wig have tracks? Why the unit I received looks not the same from the photo? Why my unit gets shedding or tingling? What should I do with the cap size? It's too small or too big for my head? And why my wig looks shorter than its length?
This is all included. If you want to pause the screen and, you know, zoom in and read all that, go ahead. And on the back is just return and refund policies and their contact information and whatnot. Now that we looked at everything in the box, let's get into the pouch. Now there's something in here as well. We're getting a lot of gas, baby girl. Thanks. Okay. These are 3D mink lashes. Okay. No, this case is pretty. Like, I want to keep this. It's like a diamond and it's like pink, purple, sparkles, silver accents. This is really, really cute. I'm gonna keep this for sure. And then, oh, it says you are so beautiful. And then they have some lashes. I wish you could see these a little better. Let me see. So yeah, okay, cute, cute. What else is in here? We have another elastic. So I guess this answers the question if it's too big or too small. Well, too small, I don't know. But too big. Now, what you all have been waiting for, what I've been waiting for, is the hair. Let's see. Wow. Now I am gonna go off camera and put it on for you all. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. This is really pretty. And it feels really, really nice. Let's look at these Wow, and it's plucked to the gods. Baby hairs and all. I'm gonna go put this on because this is not getting any justice from me just holding it. So I'm gonna put it on real quick. So let me back up. So it's really curly and pretty. It probably can straighten, which I would do, but I'm not gonna plug the curls too much. I want them to, but I wanted them to be a little bit looser. This hair is really nice. It feels really, really good. Feels really good. The closure part, like I said, it's nice. The cap color is perfect. I have never done no video like this, so bear with me. I'm trying to show y'all because this looks really good. I'm just gonna put it on and then I'll tell you the details about what hair it is and all that. So I'll be back. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, this is a bomb wig. So this is it on, because I put it on so I could better show you the closure. I mean is that what it's called, closure? I think so. You know, I like it. Like, it looks like it's my scalp, you know? And then especially when I lay it down. And you can part it however you want. The hair, like I said already, it smells good. It smells like they washed it or cleaned it. After I style it how I want and get it how I want and flat at the top, this will be a really pretty wig. Very full, as you can see. The hair, you could just glide your fingers right through it. It's no tangling. Ooh. Oh, wow. Just imagine this being slayed to the gods. Now this was a glueless, but I don't believe if you want it to look natural, you gotta use glue. So this is the hair I'm gonna spin around for you all. Now I didn't put my hair in a cap or anything, my real hair, so if you see any blonde or anything sticking out, that's why. It's growing on me already. I don't do black hair ever, but I might dye this, but I don't know. So, with that being said, this is the hair from LUVMEhair. Everything will be in the description. The link to where you can go to the website. I am going to be doing another review after I wear the hair a little bit, put it in, install it, and wear it, and tell you all about shedding and tingling and all that, and see, you know, I'm gonna lay my edges, I'm gonna lay my wig, and see how it's walking. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a quick one because I just got it, so it's not really a full review. It's more so a unboxing, you know. The hair, like I said, feels wonderful. Feels really, really good. I'll be back in I'll do 2 weeks or maybe a week because I don't wear wigs for long. I end up taking them off. So maybe in about a week I'll be back with the actual hair review after I've worn it. Initially, it's really nice. It smells good. It's really soft. The curls are, you know, they're falling since I've been putting my hands through it, but they're still, you know, there because I don't like too defined curls. So yeah, and I feel like for me to not have glued it or slayed it, it looks really good. I shop with LUVMEhair, and I'll be back in a week or so with a review. Bye.